59 to 1012 about the 8900 block.
Come here. Come here. Yo! Hey!
$59 to American. I'm 1012. He's walking southbound. He's not willing to stop for me.
What's the deal, my man? Come over here.
No, it's fine.
That's fine. Come over here. Right here in front of my car.
Yeah.
What's the deal, man?
No.
Why are you naked?
No.
Were you in that accident up the road there?
Yes, sir.
No? Hey. Stop. Why would you try to open up my driver's door? Are you kidding me, dude? Alright. Go ahead and face me so I can talk to you, my man. Let me explain to you why you're in cuffs.
Yeah.
Alright, you tried to open up the driver's door of a police car.
Yes.
That's not normal. Okay?
Yes, it's fine.
So something's going on with you to where you're doing stuff that's not normal, because normal people in their normal mind are not going to go and open up the front driver's door of a police car.
Yeah.
In addition to that, you are absolutely naked, my man. Another thing, not normal. So let me ask you something. Have you had any sort of illegal narcotics, any sort of prescription medication that you're under the influence of?
No, sir.
You haven't taken anything?
No, sir.
Because you're sweating like crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I got Megs coming to check you out. Are you going to give them a hard time? What's that? Stop! 59 to 12, man. Go ahead and start me another unit. Have them step up.
Yeah, 5462.
Back to you. I'm also going to need a supervisor to respond, reference damage to my vehicle.
Temporary.
59 to 1012 about the 8900 block.
Come here. Come here. Yo! Hey!
$59 to American.
5921, ahead.
I'm 1012. He's walking southbound. He's not willing to stop for me.
Ten four. 1624, you guys 197.
What's the deal, my man? Come over here.
No, it's fine.
That's fine. Come over here. Right here in front of my car.
Yeah.
What's the deal, man?